Have you ever thought it would be neat to fold your thin comforter into one package that stays together in the dresser drawer, as a pillow, in the linen closet? You could stuff pillowcases or pajamas into for a sleepover. This video will show you how. So first we are folding the top fifth of the comforter or duvet, whichever you call it, under, and that will end up being our pocket at the end, what you will see. So if you have a pattern, you're going to want to show it there. Next, we are folding the whole thing from top to bottom in half, straightening it all out, and then folding it in half again, making sure that your end is a few inches from the first fold in half. Next, we are folding the bottom to where our first fold is. Make sure you leave a little space, I forgot. And next we fold the whole thing over, or if you realize, we could have just folded the original fold over once. And then this is where we are going to tuck the bottom in and make our little pockets. It kind of creates its own pocket, and it makes a nice, neat, tidy bundle, pillow that stays folded and is easy to store, easy to use. You can put your linens or pillowcases or sheets inside of it, gifts, children's items, and it works great for space-saving storage.